Welcome back to the deep dive. Today, we're digging into a bunch of sources about this new platform called LevAI.
Right.
And their pitch, it sounds amazing. Replace your entire marketing team, just $99 a month, using their AI tools.
It's a big claim.
Exactly. So our mission today is simple. Is this actual innovation that could save you money? Or, is it something else entirely hiding behind the hype?
Let's find out.
Okay, so let's unpack this. The LevAI AI bundle, it gives you four main things. You get an AI video clone thing, a basic CRM, some social media post generators, and like a simple website builder, all for that one price.
Okay, so maybe let's just park the price tag for a second. Let's look at what the sources said about the actual quality here.
Good idea. What's the verdict?
Well, the core finding is pretty clear. The quality gap, it's huge.
How so?
Take that AI video twin, they boast about 150 languages.
Yeah.
But you've got established platforms, think Hen, Cynthia.
Yeah.
They're already doing this, and frankly doing it better. And they do it for, what, maybe $22 a month or a month. So with LevAI, you're basically paying double or more for something that's just not as good right out of the gate.
But, okay, for someone who maybe wants everything in one place, isn't there some value in having the CRM, website builder, post generator all bundled, even if they're not, like, top tier, the convenience factor?
You'd think so. But the sources really pick that apart because the tools themselves are just so basic.
Basic how?
Well, that CRM, its main thing seems to be scanning business cards.
Okay.
There are tons of free apps that do that already. The social media posts, it's essentially a simple ChatGPT prompt you could write yourself.
Ah.
And the website builder, it's trying to compete with Wix or Squarespace, platforms that have been refining features for like a decade.
Right. They're way ahead.
Exactly. So what you're actually getting seems to be like a free business card scanner function and a couple of the basic prompts. And that's the tech excuse for a $99 monthly subscription. It doesn't really add up.
But LevAI claims buying these tools separately would cost, what was it, $300? They're pitching it as a huge saving.
They do say that. But our sources found you could actually build a much better set of tools yourself using quality stuff from real tech companies.
Like what?
Think about using HubSpot's free CRM tier, which is pretty powerful, or maybe Zoho for CRM. Add in some other specialized tools, you'd likely come in under $75 a month for something way more robust.
Under 75. Okay. So the value proposition is shaky.
Very shaky. The real issue isn't convenience, it's just the lack of genuine value for the price.
Wait, though, because the sources didn't just stop at the software analysis, did they?
No, they didn't.
They found something about the actual business model that kind of flips the whole script. And this is where it gets really interesting.
Yeah, we absolutely have to talk about the structure because it looks, well, very clearly like network marketing, an MLM.
How can you tell?
Well, first, there's a $19 annual fee just to become a partner, and then your earnings depend on recruiting other people.
Okay, recruitment is key.
It seems to be. And the biggest red flag, right there on their pricing page, there's literally a section called Lead a Team.
Wow, okay. They're not hiding it.
Not really. That structure means the whole model seems built on partners, bringing in more partners to climb commission levels.
Yeah.
Which, shifts the focus way off building amazing software.
And the other risk factors the sources found are pretty concerning, too.
Yeah. What else came up?
Things like a low trust score on Scam Advisor. The website itself is only months old, and the company registration details hidden.
Not great signs.
Plus, when you look at what actual users are saying, or potential users, it's bad. One Trust pilot review called the features clunky, and they were just bolted on integrations, basically barely working together.
And the company's response to that, this is telling.
What did they say?
They claim they haven't even officially launched yet.
Wait, what? They're selling subscriptions but haven't launched?
Exactly. Selling vaporware while actively building out that recruitment network. So when you put all the source material together,
Yeah.
the conclusion seems pretty unavoidable. This doesn't look like a tech company focused on building great competitive software. It looks like they're building a recruitment pyramid.
And just using AI buzzwords as the shiny lure to get people in.
That's what the evidence points to.
So the bottom line here, synthesized from all this analysis, is that the business really seems to hinge on recruitment, not technology leadership. It's like a classic MLM just dressed up in today's generative AI hype.
Pretty much. A recruiting operation with a tech gloss.
Okay.
And maybe this leaves you, the listener, with an important question to think about.
Which is?
If a business tool's main selling point, or at least its core activity, seems to be getting other people to sell it, What does that really tell you about the actual value being delivered to the person using the tool at the end of the day?
That's a really good point.
So yeah, keep asking questions about which AI tools actually earn your money. Because sometimes the best solution might already be free, or certainly a lot cheaper than a flashy $99 bundle built around, well, maybe not much at all.